Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a Squid Game Venom. So, if you saw Squid Games, is a cool Netflix series, and Venom, who is obviously from Spider-Man, the Venom movies, and that's pretty much it. It's just gonna be kind of like the head. So, let's get started, okay? This stay all the way to the very end of the video. The video is only about 8 minutes ish or so. So by the end of 8 minutes, you'll have a brand new skill. Okay, let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna be using this Acrylic brand marker and regular printing paper. And since it's just a headshot, should be relatively simple. All right. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw a. Let's see. I'm gonna draw the mouth right here, the edge of the mouth, the lips for the venom portion of it. Pull in here. Up. Right, he's got this kind of wild look to him. Excuse me. Also, if you like learning how to draw your favorite characters, if you like learning how to draw anything, I post videos here all the time, usually daily. If you enjoy that stuff, hit the like. Well, hit the like anyway, but hit the subscribe and then click the bell notification so it lets you know when I post. All right, I'm going to go up here. Curve over here for the front of the face. Gonna pull down here and down even more. And what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna go with the bottom of the kind of venom portion of the mouth there. Right on. Gonna draw the teeth. And the teeth are gonna be, kind of random in size. They're obviously going to be these extended triangles, but they're going to be random in size. I'm going to throw the skin right there. There's this skin that lizards have when they open their mouth, and Venom has it as well. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to draw the symbol. So for Squid Games, there's either going to be a square, a circle, or a triangle. Usually, those are the ones. So I'm going to do a triangle. Draw a line here. Okay. Down over here. Line across. And I'm going to do one within that because this is like, the way it is, right? Line across. Over here, I'm going to go down here. Okay. That portion of it. Gonna do the tongue. Curve over here at the tip. Up. Right here. Before I draw the rest of the tongue, I'm going to draw the lower part of the teeth so that the I don't have to draw it over again. Over the, so I can weave the tongue, kind of dictating that, dictating the teeth area. Alright, let's kind of keep them going here. And yeah, I love these two properties, so it's pretty fun to do. Curve down. Line over here. I'm going to draw the bottom of the chin here. Curve over here. Draw the bottom of that chin, like so. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to draw the hoodie that they have. So I'm going to be right here. Right? Got that hoodie. Made a line of the hoodie where it ends. Gonna draw out right here, tip of that hoodie down to the far end. Line over here. out. Line over there. And hoodie's gonna end over here. And I'm gonna have to pull the chin back. I'm gonna have to find where the angle is to the end of that chin there. All right. So I'm gonna pull down a bit here because the hoodie kind of gives, it's like it kind of goes down to the lower part of the neck. Up for the lower part of the throat, and it's gonna go in right here. See, like the hoodie's gonna end a little bit lower there. Pulling up, far side of the hoodie here. And I'm gonna have some folds over here of where the hoodie more or less ended. Maybe some teeth in the background there that I'm gonna fill in, with dark. And there's a zipper. And I'm going to draw the shoulder right here. And I'm actually going to draw a little bit of the armpit here, where the arm is in there. If you like this mixture, let me know, by the way. Hit that like if you do enjoy it. Really let yourself be heard in the comment section, or just kind of, share the video. That would be the best. And then the far side arm. Like so. And you can put some folds here in the cloth, right? Just these thin lines, kind of more or less. And throw in these thin lines right here along the tongue to give it some texture. And right on. That is it. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope that was really, nice. And there you go. Good times. Good times. Thank you so much. I appreciate you being around here. Like I said, if you got any value from this and you got some enjoyment, the best way to pay me back is to share the video with a friend that you think might enjoy it, or go to the bottom right hand corner of the screen and press the auto share button. I think it shares it automatically to whatever you're logged into, whether it be Twitter, Reddit, or what else is there? Pinterest, Facebook. When you auto share something like this, it takes 2 seconds on your part, but it really does a lot on my end. I can immediately see a difference, I noticed. And it brings in a tremendous amount of cool people when people share it that way. So please, if you're feeling kind-hearted today, take a few seconds to share it on any platform, anywhere. Thank you so much. I will see you next time, and I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll talk to you soon.